So under fractions, a little subheading would be basically just simplifying it, but simplifying improper, which is nothing more than this. And by the way, when you say simplifying, there's really like two things you can do when you simplify something. You can reduce, and sometimes you need to make improper needs to be made into mixed numbers. So that's more about the wonderful world of fractions. So for example, if this is your problem, 1 and 5, 6 plus 1 and 5, 6 plus 5, 6. When you add fractions together, rule number 1 always, Andrew, is to
add the top.
Negatory.
Write them up in
Thank you very much. Just want to make sure we're all on that same page. So this would be 1 and 5, 6 plus 5, 6. And then probably you have something like make common denominators, but this one already is, so you don't have to really do any work there. What happens when I add 5, 6 plus 5, 6, Trevor? I get
6. Wait, no.
5, 6 and 5, 6 is
6.
10, 6. Yeah, under the bottom does not change. You add the tops together, and then 1 plus nothing here is 1. This is kind of what we're talking about, and I know you've dealt with this before. What is wrong with 10, 6? Well, there's two things wrong with 10, 6. First of all, Frankie, it's
The top number is greater than the
that, which makes it an improper fraction, and secondly, it's not reduced. So if you have 1 and 10, 6, then this is where you are, 5th graders, you can kind of make your own choice. What do you suppose you would prefer to do first? Reduce it first, or change it to a mixed number first? Colin says,
Change it to a mixed number.
sure, let's go that route. Although, yeah, sure, why not? 10 sixths is what as a mixed number? Maybe, remember it's the bottom and the top, and you might, this part I wouldn't care so much if you can do in your head, but 6 goes into 10 once, that's 6. What am I left with? 4. So my mixed number is 4 sixths. So is my answer just 1 and 4 sixths? Jacob, no, it is. What do I have to do with this one?
Reduce it.
No, the 1.
Oh, the 1.
What happens to this 1? Jacob? Addie Clark, what happens to the 1?
You just leave it.
Well, I started off with a 1 and I have another 1. I have to put them together, right. You've got 1 that you had here plus the 1 you got from the improper fraction. You've got to put those together to get a 2. And then with the 4 sixths, Jordan, I have to make 4 sixths what? You've got to cut them both in half, divide by 2. Either way you look at it, you get 2 and 2/3. Both things that we've done before, you just really need to start becoming very aware that you make sure you get that done. Otherwise, your problems won't be correct. Let's do another one, because I can tell you're fantastically excited about that.
Yeah.
2 and 3/4. 2 and 3/4 plus 4 and 3/4. Tell you what, I will give you a chance to do that before we do it together. See if you get the same answer I do. What is 2 and 3/4 plus 4 and 3/4? 2 and 3/4 plus 4 and 3/4. See if we agree after all is said and done. Victoria, we come up with an answer?
Yes.
What'd you get?
7.5.
7.5. Well, let's take a look and see. Now, if this problem appears in your book, you know, you don't have to write it like this, but you certainly have to do this. Start off with this. Don't skip any steps. 2 3/4 plus 4 3/4. 3/4 plus 3/4 is 6/4, and 4 plus 2 is 6. Now I know on the last one, Colin said, let's change it to a mixed number first, but this time, and it doesn't matter, maybe you prefer to do this because it makes your numbers easier to work with. I can reduce this by dividing it by 2 right now. What happens when I divide it by 2? I get 3/2. Then, once it's reduced, I can change it to a mixed number. How many times does 2 go into 3? Once, so what's left over? So there's my 1 1/2. Is 1 1/2 my answer, Brian? It is not because
You need to reduce it.
I already reduced it.
You need to add it to 6.
Okay, I gotta put the 2 whole numbers together. 6 plus the 1 there is 7 and 1/2. So it is your choice of whether you'd like to reduce first and then change it to a mixed number, combine it, or change it to a mixed number and then reduce it. It is completely your call. One of those things because you're such an intelligent people
Yes.
that
Thank you.
And that is it.